Hello guys, so today I'm gonna show you how to print on a DYMO Labelwriter 4XL. I bought this machine for my jewelry business, for my website. So I am actually happy with this machine because it allows me to print a lot of shipping labels. So I'm gonna show you how to install this machine and how to print on this machine. If you have one of these, the same machine, and you don't know how to do it, I'm gonna show you how you can connect it and make it work. I actually work with an Apple, so I have this DYMO Labelwriter 4XL with an Apple. So stay tuned in the video. Thank you. This machine, the DYMO Labelwriter 4XL, comes with a USB cable that it has two ports, the USB cable for the computer and the one that you're gonna plug in the back of the machine. And then it comes with also the charger. The charger has an end that you're gonna plug in the back of the machine as well. So let me show you how to do it. So you plug this part of the charger, that is a round tip, on the port in the machine. This other port that, as you can see, has a little empty square, you connect it on this other side. It is both cables connected on the back of the machine. Now you're gonna go ahead and connect on the back of the screen of your computer, and the charger is gonna go in the wall. Now you connect the USB port on the back of your computer. And now you go to the charger and connect it on the plug in the wall. As you can see, the machine starts running. You're gonna need one of these rolls of a sticker shipping label, sticker paper, that you actually gonna have to insert it into this little roll that comes inside the machine. You're gonna open the top part of this roller, and then you're gonna insert your roll of sticker shipping labels that I bought at eBay. As you can see, you can insert it the way that the white arrow is pointing. Then you're gonna grab the top part and you're gonna press it down. Just like that, press it down. That your light is flashing on the DYMO Labelwriter, you're gonna open the top and you're gonna insert your label. The label is inserted into the machine. You're gonna slide through the shipping label, through the little line that's inside the machine. So you can use this button to slide it, or I guess not. So close the machine and press here. Button. Now it's ready to go. So now you're gonna close the machine, and when it prints in this part. So you gotta put it backwards. So that's how you peel the sticker.